7 facts about X-Sense Alarm. 2-in-1 protection, smoke and carbon monoxide. Analyzes 3 times before alerting. 360-degree monitoring with no blind spots. Easy to read LCD. Test silent button. LED indicator. 10 years battery life. Also check out this wireless doorbell by Avantech. 2 transmitters plus multiple receivers. IP55, dustproof and waterproof. 52 chimes and tunes. 1000 feet wireless range. Compact size. 3 years battery life. 5 volume levels. Mute mode. Check out the description for product website links and discount codes. Happy shopping!